Okay, it's time for baby's second meal that Daddy is gonna feed him. Hey!
Luca. Ooh. Not hands.
No hands. Mmm, yummy. Oh, what was that face for?
You don't like it?
Because it's cold, you think? This one is not warmed. It's room temperature.
That's not so bad, is
I
it?
think maybe it was shocking. His milk is always warm. Not so fast, Rick. Let him swallow.
Do you want it?
Wow, I'm impressed because you're not making a big mess. What do you think? Oh, we got hands involved now.
Yeah.
You know who else we have to send this to? You have to send it to Deborah, too.
Oh.
That was too big.
It was not. It was no bigger than the other ones. Good? Is that good?
Even though he makes the face, he seems to still like it. I think he liked it better warm, though,
Yeah,
because he
maybe.
didn't make that funny face. Use the side of the spoon. I'm afraid that it's kind of pointy. It is. It's got a little bit of a taper to the end.
Right. Okay.
It does.
It's a good stabbing spoon.
Well, you know, like, use the side of the spoon if you're gonna...
All right.
Almost done. Boy, he's good at eating. You don't
That's
have to
no
put the whole
surprise.
spoon in his mouth.
Well, it was pretty far up the spoon.
Where's the dog?
Inside.
Oh.
There's the next one.
He's a good eater. So that was like a teaspoon of food. Oh, he opened right up.
Okay, Luca. This is it. Open up. Nope. That's it. You did it.
Very good.
Yay.
Good
Yay.
baby.
All right. Oop.
I knew you would make a mess after all. Spoon on the floor.